Hello boys and girls, today is 15 March 2026, unboxing a Sharp GF. Well, let me start this other one here. Okay. Hello boys and girls, today is, is 15 March 2025, 26, can't remember the year. Okay, we have a Sharp GF-318ST silver, I think with a box, and it may not work, but we're going to open it anyway because we got it. So, let's see here. I can see myself in the mirror. Right, so here we are. It's a box. All right, it's well packaged. So just I don't know why they put the bubble wrap on the outside, but it's weird. Hello. I'm in the room shooting a video. Yes, I did. Okay. Mom announced herself as being home from church. Anyway, so once again back to this. And while I'm thinking about it, just to show you, see here. So that works. Just making sure that my power cord's good when I go try to plug this in. Right. So, okay, so this. All right. Well, I guess the only way to do this is upend it, right? Just cassette. Okay, so here it is. It's looking like that. Where'd my scissors go? Like that. So well, they got bubble wrap on the outside of the box. I guess that's okay. All right, so there we go. It's nice they preserved the box here. Nice, brand new looking box. Apparently. Okay, so let's just set that here. Okay. And then put that there. Alright, so put this out of the way. Alright, so now I open this up, open that up, open this up. It's got the original styrofoam. You can see there, right? Okay. We got something in. We got the power cord in. Okay. We've got some other. Who knows? We got another. Okay, I guess I just put this in here to. Well, that's got something on there to. Maybe that goes to the packaging. Who knows? All right. So okay. Let's pull this out of here. There we go. So, well, that's got the tuning knob on this end. Oops. There we go. And then it's got that on the nut end. Okay. And then we've got more tape. Let's get this out of the way. Really like the packaging job they got to protect the parts in here. Okay. I'll save that. Got a plastic bag over it, which is probably the original plastic bag. Okay. Well. Okay, so. Well, here it is in all its finery. Okay, so. Yeah, let's put that there. And then let's put the power cord. Okay. Now let's check the voltage. Oh my God, yes, 100 volts. Okay, it takes 8D batteries. Says on the back it's a Sharp GF-318 or Sharp GF-318ST. Okay. Power cord goes in this end. So there we go. And then power button. It's on FM. Volume. So I have to clean that, I'm sure. I can hear some squelch in there, so that's the power button. Okay. Alright, so let's see here. Eject is there's the eject. The door is square. I just don't have a selector switch for. Okay. Looking for the application Google Lens. Where is it on here? There it is. Alright, so radio or table, tape switching, metal table. Okay, so okay, this is the tape or radio button right here. So that should be radio or tape. That's the AM FM button. This is your Chrome switch. I'm using Google Lens. It translates for you, but just by using a camera to look at it. All right, so this needs servicing. It's got a power light there. Put it on that. Let's see. We got a tape. Tape right here. Tape in here, right? Eject. Tape in. Okay, fast forwards. It goes that way. And play. I can hear something, but I bet you it needs the recording bar switch cleaned and of course all the controls cleaned. But I didn't bring a flashlight, but it is working. There we go. Goes that way. Goes this way. Play mode. It plays. But there's no sound, so okay. Something to work on. Big radio. Alright. Had my fun. Okay, So now we'll just go ahead and put this thing back in the box. But in the meantime, here, I'll just let you see it up close. Let's see here. So here it is. It's a big thing. Okay, pretty big. All right, so let you see it over here. All right, so there it is. That's what it looks when I come back. All right, 10 minutes. Okay, keep this short, simple. Put this back over here. Okay, and we'll turn this camera off. I'll just say, okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Good day. Bye-bye. Gotta go. All right, so stop.